Hi, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very happy today.
Why are you so happy?
I just moved into a new house.
Wow, congratulations. That is great news.
Thank you very much.
When did you move in?
I moved in last weekend.
Are you fully unpacked yet?
Almost. I still have a few boxes.
Moving is always very tiring.
Yes, but it is worth it.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house now.
That is wonderful.
Yes, it is much bigger than my old apartment.
Is it a new house or an old house?
It is a brand new house.
Tell me more about it.
It has 2 floors and a small yard.
What color is the outside of the house?
It is painted white and blue.
That sounds very pretty.
When you walk in, you see the living room.
Is the living room big?
Yes, it is very spacious.
What furniture do you have in there?
I have a large gray sofa and a coffee table.
Do you have a television?
Yes, the TV is on the wall.
I love watching movies in the living room.
Me too. It is very cozy.
Are there any windows in the living room?
Yes, there are 2 large windows.
So it gets a lot of sunlight?
Yes, it is very bright in the morning.
I love houses with natural light.
I also put some green plants by the window.
Plants make a house look fresh.
Next to the living room is the kitchen.
Is the kitchen open or closed?
It is an open kitchen.
Do you like cooking there?
I love it. It is very modern.
What color are the kitchen cabinets?
The cabinets are white.
White kitchens look very clean.
Yes, but I have to clean them often.
Do you have a big fridge?
Yes, the fridge is very big and silver.
Do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, it makes washing dishes very easy.
Do you have a dining table?
Yes, there is a round wooden table.
How many chairs do you have?
I have 4 chairs.
That is perfect for family dinners.
Yes, we eat dinner there every night.
Is there a bathroom on the first floor?
Yes, there is a small bathroom for guests.
That is very convenient.
Now let me tell you about the second floor.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms upstairs.
3 bedrooms? That is a lot of space.
Yes, 1 for me, 1 for guests, and an office.
Having a home office is great.
Yes, I can work from home easily now.
Which room is the master bedroom?
My bedroom is at the end of the hall.
Is it a big room?
Yes, it is the biggest room in the house.
What is in your bedroom?
I have a king-size bed and a large wardrobe.
Is the bed comfortable?
It is very soft and comfortable.
Do you have a carpet on the floor?
No, the floors are made of wood.
Wooden floors are easy to clean.
Yes, I prefer them over carpets.
Do you have your own bathroom?
Yes, there is a bathroom inside my bedroom.
That is called an ensuite bathroom.
Exactly, it is very private.
Does it have a bathtub or a shower?
It has a large glass shower.
I like taking showers in the morning.
Me too, it wakes me up.
Is there a mirror in the bathroom?
Yes, there is a big mirror above the sink.
What about the guest bedroom?
It is smaller, but it is very nice.
Does it have a bed?
Yes, it has a queen-size bed.
Your guests will be very happy.
I hope so.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, my bedroom has a small balcony.
What do you do on the balcony?
I drink my morning coffee there.
That sounds so relaxing.
The view from the balcony is very nice.
What can you see from there?
I can see the park and some tall trees.
Nature views are the best.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I love planting flowers.
I have a backyard behind the house.
Is the backyard big?
It is not very big, but it is enough.
Do you have grass in the backyard?
Yes, there is a lot of green grass.
Are there any trees?
There is 1 apple tree in the corner.
Fresh apples in the summer.
Yes, and I planted some red roses too.
Your garden must smell wonderful.
I bought a small table and chairs for outside.
You can have a barbecue in the summer.
That is exactly what I plan to do.
Where is your house located?
It is in the suburbs, outside the city.
Is the neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it is very peaceful.
City streets are always so noisy.
That is why I moved. I wanted silence.
Are your neighbors friendly?
I met the family next door. They are very nice.
Having good neighbors is important.
Yes, they even gave me some cookies.
That is a very warm welcome.
Are there any shops near your house?
Yes, there is a supermarket down the street.
How long does it take to walk there?
It only takes 5 minutes on foot.
That is very convenient for buying groceries.
Yes, I do not need to drive to the store.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, the bus stop is right around the corner.
So you can go to the city center easily.
Yes, the bus takes about 30 minutes.
That is a very easy commute.
What do you like most about your new house?
I love how spacious and bright it is.
It sounds like a perfect home.
Thank you. I am very happy here.
Tell me about your home. Do you live in an apartment?
Let me guess, you live in the city center.
Yes, I live in an apartment in the city center.
Is your apartment big?
No, it is quite small. It only has 1 bedroom.
But the city center is very exciting.
Yes, there are many restaurants and cinemas.
Do you have a nice view?
I can see the city skyline from my window.
That must look beautiful at night.
Yes, the city lights are amazing.
Do you have a balcony?
No, sadly, I do not have a balcony.
What color are the walls in your living room?
The walls are painted light yellow.
Yellow is a very happy color.
It makes the small room feel warmer.
Do you have a big kitchen?
No, my kitchen is very tiny.
But you can still cook good food there.
Yes, I cook simple meals every day.
You should come and visit my new house.
I would love to see it in person.
I'm having a housewarming party next Saturday.
A housewarming party? That sounds fun.
Yes, I'm inviting a few close friends.
What time does the party start?
It starts at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Should I bring anything?
You don't need to bring anything.
I'll bring a bottle of wine.
That is very kind of you. Thank you.
Will you cook dinner for us?
Yes, I will make pizza and salad.
I love homemade pizza.
I will send you my new address on WhatsApp.
Please do. I'll put it in my GPS.
It is very easy to find.
I am very excited to see your new place.
I'm excited to show it to you.
Well, I need to go to the supermarket now.
Okay, I should start unpacking my boxes again.
Don't work too hard.
I'll take a break soon.
Enjoy your first week in the new house.
Thank